fair, man. That asshole won't let me play my harmonica at my spot unless I give him a couple $100.
Who won't let you play?
Big guy. He's always hanging here. Goes by the name of Compton Scar. If I could fight like I play, I'd tear him a couple of new holes just for kicks.
You just gotta know how to persuade a guy. Wait here.
You got a problem, tough guy?
Yeah. My problem is I'm a big music lover, and I don't got no music to listen to. Now my buddy with the harmonica, he's an honest-to-God virtuoso. So my suggestion is that you leave him alone and let him do his thing.
And if I don't?
Well, if you don't, I got a magic trick for you. I see you around here again, dipshit. I'll put my arm down your throat and pull a rabbit out your fucking ass.
Just relax, all right? You can play down here if you want.
Thanks, son. I never would say this to no one, but you got a good heart. That guy Scar, he came back and stole my harmonica.
Where'd he go?
He went down the Lower East Side. You're a good boy, Jackie Estacado. I won't forget what you done for me here.